Upgrade your cleaning process with precision and power. In high-performance industries, even the smallest contamination can impact quality, efficiency, and reliability. Introducing the Thoroughclean rotary table cleaning, spraying, and drying system, engineered for precision cleaning and consistent performance. Components are placed on a rotary table, moving through multiple stages. High-pressure spraying removes oil, grease, and contaminants. Advanced cleaning ensures uniform coverage, followed by an integrated drying system for moisture-free output. Achieve spotless results, reduced cycle time, minimal manual effort, and reliable, repeatable cleaning quality. Perfect for industries that demand precision, Thoroughclean delivers efficiency, performance, and reliability in every cycle. Call now and transform your cleaning process. Call now 9810-1006-5675. Visit to www.thoroughclean.com.